Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Talal Hussain and today I'll be talking about how you can improve 200 points on your digital SAT exam in just 1 month, right? So there are 3 steps that I will be sharing with you. If you follow these 3 steps, you will be inshallah able to solve and score 200 points higher on your digital SAT exam, right? So now the first one is that after you are done with your practice test, right, get on with the score report, right? So the score report is very important, right? The first step to improving your score or getting that extra 200 points is that you analyze your score report after your test, right? When you analyze your score report, right, you will find the mistakes or the things that you're doing wrong on both the reading and writing section and both the math section, right? Now, the second thing that I want you to do is when you're done with the analysis, you create a log, right? And in that log, you will, write down all those topics on which, you felt like you have gone wrong, right? So, for example, if you went wrong on standard English conventions, or you went wrong on some topics of geometry, or you went wrong on some questions that were pertaining to vocabulary, or maybe, command of evidence textual, or any other topic, that, you are recurring, that you are, continuously going wrong, right? You have to maintain a log and mention all those topics, right? And along with creating that log, what you have to do is you have to go topical and look at all those topics individually and work on them, right? When you start working on all of those topics individually, what will happen is that you will start gaining confidence and you will start gaining the right concepts, and you would have to make a conscious effort not to repeat that when you do those tests again, right? Now, and that is where I get the third part, right? And the third part is, for example, you were getting a concept that was related to standard English convention continuously wrong. For example, you were wrong about pronouns, you were wrong about subject verb agreement, right? You go on the topical part, you work on it, and now if you are clear about subject verb agreement now, and then you see that question again on your practice test, make a conscious effort, right? Remember that trigger that that made you go wrong. Now when you get that question again, you have to do that properly, you have to do that in a proper manner, and you have to do that question correctly. If you if you follow this process, right, and if you you do that on a continual basis, right, for every practice test, you will see that within a month you will be able to score 200 points, at least 200, 150 to 200 points at least higher than the test that the score that you were getting on the previous test. Obviously, if you were getting a 1500, obviously then you won't be getting 200 points higher than that. But obviously, if you are getting a score of 1100, 1150 or 1200 even, and if you work hard, then in a month, right, if you are working properly and you are following these 3 steps, right, the first step is that you work with your score report. The second step is that you create a log and you revise all those topics. And the third point is that you apply what you have revised and learned again on the new practice test that you are solving. If you keep on doing it, if you keep on repeating this process, you'll be able to improve 200 points within a month, hopefully. Thank you so much. I hope this video helped you.